Hi, my name is Art from Art's Garden, or in German Art's Garten, and today I want to show you my new bird cage which I built out from a cabinet. That's a good piece. First I mention the advantages I see in it. On the one hand, it's very cheap to buy, much cheaper than a real cage. I paid about or only 42 euros in total. Furthermore, the cabinet offers much more space and it looks better. The construction was also quite simple. I took out the back wall and the doors and simply replaced them with tight meshed wire. I open the chart. Here you can see it. And here. And my birds like it very. Oh. But one should pay attention that there are no places which can injure the bird. Then you need enough perches, like this one, this one, this one, or this one, or this one. Which must not be on top of each other. To catch the excrement, I use a newspaper here and a ball where they excrete the most. Under this one, they sit always there. Yeah, I think that's it. It was already all in one quick overview, and I think it's a very nice alternative, I don't know, to a real cage. Yeah, I like it very much, the birds too, and yes, goodbye, thank you for watching.